Hey everyone, on your screen is the progress I made during this week on my stealth game. I still haven't thought of a name for it yet, but I mainly focused on making the scripts a bit more modular and making a quick and short level. I'll talk about it in more detail in the video, so let's get right into it. It's Wednesday, and due to my previous experience with Unity's latest beta build, I decided to switch to the newly released LTS version of Unity 2019. As of previously, I was using the Unity 2020.1 beta version. For those of you who don't know, LTS is Unity's long-term support policy for Unity's yearly release versions, which comes with all the bug fixes but not any new features after its release. A bit of advice: if you're in a similar situation and are long in the development of your game, unlike me, don't do it. As you can see, the project is pretty much non-working. You will lose all your levels and other tweaks you made in the scene. Although all these scripts and prefabs can be salvaged, so I had to start over again. But since I was not that deep in the development of my game, I caught up quite fast from where I left, and it took me just a few hours to get back. After that, I remade the movement script of the player using Brackey's third-person controller. Tutorial link will be in the description. Now I needed to refine the animations and make them a bit smoother, so I redid the animations in Blender. It's Thursday, and I have been working to fix the animations inside of Unity all morning. So far I have come up with this. It's not perfect, but I think it will do just fine for a prototype build. Here you can see the behavior tree to be followed by the animator component sitting on the model. There are all the states player can probably be in, which are either idle, forward, right, left, or backwards. Now that the animations are fixed and the enemy is working fine, I had to make my scripts a bit more modular. This means I'll create different scripts containing a unique feature, which I can just slap onto a character and voila, it will have that feature. So I started with the patrolling aspect of the enemy and made it a module, so I can use this to make any character have that feature. It's Friday, and today I'll be making the field of view section of the original enemy script into its own module. It took me almost an hour to make, but it's done and I'm happy with the results. Well, almost happy. It's Saturday, and I've been working on this level using Pro Builder, which is a free add-on to Unity, so I can test out the enemy AI in a real game scenario. I think this works fine for a short demo level to kinda test things out. After that, I populated the map with few enemies and some props which I made in Blender. Then I spent majority of my time making the level look good while still maintaining high performance. This can be done through breaking Lightmaps. It's pretty simple to do. You grab your map and some lights, shove it into the oven, and voila! Baked Lightmap. Well, not that simple, but it is quite simple though. Although quite tedious. So after some heavy baking and deploying a shit ton of light probes, this is how it turned out.